Hello, welcome. I'm Ellie from Welda Windows. Today we're here with one of our clients, Sophie, in our recent installation of the new windows and doors. We did the complete house. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Nice to see you again. So what did you find was important to you?
We were really looking for someone that would be able to guide us for the right product, and also somebody who would work with us, offering us options and also different price points. And I feel that you've delivered on all of those.
One of the big features was these awesome windows in the back of the house, which used to be a lot more pieces and components, and now just became a nice, clear, beautiful view.
You know, these windows are huge windows and they are a great backdrop to our backyard. And it's great for us to come in the morning and sit down and be able to see outside. But before, we had windows that kind of obstructed the view because they had a lot of different dividers in them. These windows have completely transformed the house from the inside and out.
Amazing.
Yeah, and thank you to your suggestions for
Absolutely,
everything.
my pleasure.
It's turned out amazing.
Sophie, were you satisfied with the overall process?
I think that you've exceeded our expectations. Everything from customer service to the timeline, the installation, the cleanup, the crews, they were very respectful out of our space. Overall, it was even better than we expected.
Awesome, thank you.